how old are you, Minh? 5? Yeah. 1, 2.
3.
You're 3. You're 3.
Yeah.
Or you're 5.
3.
You're 3. I don't believe you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Yes. 5. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. And how are you today? How are you today? Are you happy or sad or sleepy? Happy. All right. Okay. Can you tell me what are these? So it's a
Good.
present and
Candle.
party.
Party.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Can you show me where is the cake? Where's the cake?
Okay.
Where is the present? Present. No, present. Yeah. How many? How many? One present? Or one?
2.
2 presents. Yeah. Who's this?
Mommy. Daddy.
All right. How many candles?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So how old is she? How old? She is.
6.
She's 6, yeah, because she's got 6 candles, yeah? Alright, okay. Alright, can you tell me the days of the months of the year?
January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. December. October. November. December.
Yay, well done. When's your birthday?
March.
Your birthday is March, yeah? Your birthday is March. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Okay. Do you know what number? Okay. Alright. Okay. And tell me about the picture. What's this? Okay. And where are they? Are they in the playground? Oh. Where are they? It's a birthday party.
Birthday party.
Yeah, okay. What's this?
Cake.
It's a cake, yeah, okay. And what's this? It's a present.
Present.
And where's Minh Quân? Where's Minh Quân? Is it your birthday? Yes? Yeah? What's in the present? What's inside? Is it like a car or a train or Lego or a truck?
Lego.
Lego. Okay, alright. Okay, we're finished. Well done. Well done, Minh Quân.